Okay guys, this is a 2021 Tesla Model S long range. They have made this look like a Plaid. It's got the Plaid sticker, red brakes, carbon fiber everywhere. It is a rebuilt title. Damage was right through here, all been fixed up. This does have full self-drive paid for, so you don't have to pay any subscription. Falcon tires, red brakes, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. You see full self-drive is paid for right there. Hardware 3. Healthy battery. Heated cooled seats. Self-driving. Charging. Suspension, drive modes. Backup cameras. Heated steering wheel, heated yoke. So all your different deals there. This is all carbon fiber. Looks like it did have a Valentine speed detector, all suede roof. You can see this is all carbon fiber inlays. It does have the floor mats. It does have this Plaid sticker, but it is only a long range. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.